Hi, in this video we're going to start building a two-story house. Our first step is to go over to our tools and select the rectangle tool. Let's start our house right at the origin, so we'll put our mouse right there and click one time. And now we can stretch and drag out the base of our house or the foundation. You might want to spin the camera as you do this to make sure that the house is big enough and wide enough for several people. Click and let go. Now I'm going to spin my camera just to make sure I like the size of the house. If I want to, I can come over and use the move tool and select one of the lines and move them out if I want to make my house a little bit larger or a little bit smaller. Go. Now we're going to select the push-pull tool. Put your mouse on the surface of your foundation. Click and let go. And now we can start to pull our house up. Now this is going to be a two-story house, so we want to go pretty tall relative to the person. I'm even going to slide my camera down a little bit. The distance in the bottom right-hand corner tells you how tall it is. We're about 15 feet right now. I'm going to go to about 19 or 20 feet for this house and click and let go. Now let's first spin and make sure we like the height. We can also push in the sidewalls if we want to adjust the size of our house. Remember, always use the person for scale as you're designing. Now let's make a front patio or porch, or at least start it. So to do that, we are going to select the rectangle tool again. And I'm going to put the end point, the start, right in the corner of our house. Click and let go. And I'm going to drag my mouse across and come up a little bit, and we should see a green line. This is going to be the height of our front porch. I'll make it about this tall. We can always adjust it if we want to. I'm going to click and let go. And now select the push-pull tool. I'm going to click that and pull it towards me to drag it out. I'm going to spin my camera to see how it looks, how deep I want it to be. I might want to pull it out a little bit farther. Click and let go. That looks pretty good. Now let's make some steps leading up to the front porch. To do that, we're going to select our rectangle tool again. And let's zoom down here, and somewhere near the middle, we can actually find the center. There's the midpoint. I'm going to go a little bit to the side of the midpoint. When it's red on the edge, I'm going to click and let go. Come over and go right to that edge. Make sure that it's green. And I'm going to, let's go about there. Click and let go. And now I'm going to select my line tool. And I'm going to split this box in half so I can make it into two steps. To do that, I'm going to move my mouse until it snaps to the midpoint of this line. Click. Drag my mouse across. Find the midpoint over there. Click and let go. And now I can go back to my push-pull tool. And I'm going to drag out these two segments, or pull these two segments out to create steps leading up to this front porch. Remember to spin your camera a lot to make sure you like how it looks, that everything's to scale. Once you've got the stairs how you like them, let's click our eraser tool and let's clean up these lines on the side to make this look like one piece. We'll click there and erase that. All right, now we've got a nice start, a nice foundation to our two-story house.